Well, it's another exceptionally pretty day out here. Warm and sunny. I saw on WeatherBug this morning that we have a pollen alert. I'm like, really? Already? Pollen? Good morning, boys. We got warm temps.
Yeah.
Hawks talking.
Yeah.
Pollen alert.
Pollen alert. What is the pollen alert?
Yeah, sun. A tux that's ready to walk. Wow, the hawk's right there in that tree. That's pretty close. I'd prefer it if he was at his nest. Please go build. Please. Dust the paper?
Yeah.
Okay.
Just gonna need to blow the driveway today.
Can't do that and walk tux at the same time. It's fried rice for lunch today for Johnny. Alright, it's all put together. I had a large leftover pork chop from last night's dinner. They were really thick and I cooked 4, so it's cut up in there for the meat today. I'm out here listening to the hawks. They're not by the side of the driveway though. And spending some time with this boy who now is pretty gentle but likes to have his tummy rubbed a little bit. It's 60 degrees and I'm in short sleeves. Yay! Hey bud, not too rough on the mom's hand. Not too rough. Well, I've left myself 3 whole extra minutes to get to the dentist, although actually they called and asked me to come 30 minutes early because that was better for them, and I said that I would and I could. And anyway, let's just hope there's no delays and I'll be there just in the nick of time. And it is a gorgeous day for a ride. I actually have not been to the dentist since COVID started. I think that's been fine. I'm not having any trouble. I've just been really careful to do all the things you know you're supposed to do. Brush twice a day, floss every day. So hopefully they won't fuss at me too bad up here. But it's time to go. It's time to go. So, and it's in the 60s. Ruby says it's 66. It's gorgeous. I'm sure we're going to be close to 70 here today. I'll take it. Well, my checkup at the dentist went just fine. I don't have to come back for 6 months, and probably this time I'll try to come back for 6 months. So, yeah, it's always a good day when you leave the dentist and you don't have any additional appointments. So, I'm just going to head on back to Fuquay now. I don't have anything else I need to do while I'm in Cary. I need to get left. I was hoping to give it a little acceleration and move over, but maybe that's not such a good idea right now. Don's out of his office early enough to go for a walk to the mailbox and get the mail.
What's this on my face?
I know, we've been sitting over there on the bench on those nice comfy cushions.
It's in the shade now, so it's getting a little cool.
Yeah, we were there for about a half an hour, but it's time to go get the mail. We heard the mail guy. We saw him. And, you know, Tux is ready for a second walk today. Come on, buddy.
Well, today's one of those days.
Let's go.
Everybody in Central North Carolina is out in the yard today. If you're not, you're crazy.
Yeah, there was quite a few people at South Park. I saw a couple of kids sharing a bicycle. Oh, like one was pedaling, one was like standing behind him on his back or something. They were going around the little walking track over there.
That works.
Yeah, I thought, you know, yeah, and there was a couple guys went by running or biking or whatever. Yeah, so hopefully
that kind of day.
Yep. Yeah, Don's getting all of the sweet gum tree, those balls off the driveway, so tomorrow he won't be riding his unicycle over top of them. Sweet gum balls. Fried egg and chicken thighs tonight. I'm missing a few parts, but you can see where the dome is going to be and sort of how it's going to look. So on tomorrow maybe I'll work on the roof line that's back here.